Alright, that loaded one down. Yesterday. Alright, I'm trying something a little bit different because this way with the Elmer's glue hasn't been working. The BB usually breaks off while I'm loading it in. So we're going to try this way. Alright, I got this on a chair here so I can get it upside down and stuff it right up in. So stuff it upside down so the glue don't hit the walls at all. And I'm going to drop the BB down before the glue dries. Alright, down she goes. I'll just keep it in that position. We'll do some other things. Because both of those ways seem to always break on me. Yeah, I tried doing it with a straw, but it snapped in my other video. But this way will work. Load it the same way. Sorry, let me show there was more glue on there. Dries up. BB down the barrel. You can always jam a long stick down there like a musket, but I'm pretty sure the BB's heavy enough. So those are to be compared to those. Oh my, the heavens are high. I'm in the back seat of the car with the two brake barrels because the 177s, because I cannot leave them loaded with the Black Diamond BBs for runarounds. So let's see what they do to Mrs. Tootsie. Alright, I'm going to go with the Crossman F1 first. How are you, Mrs. Tootsie? Hold on. Oh yeah, I can smell the devastation. Now that is a shout out to Texas. Alright, now this one is the Bear River TPR. Or TRP. Forget. Alright, that one was weird. I think it grazed the window because I didn't want to hit the same spot. Let's see what a sans palm does. Alright, we're going to hit the clean side. And my apologies, this is going to be the last shot of the day. Actually, of the night. Wow, as far as that. That is a nice clean hole, huh? Oh. There's 3 out of my next 9 for Texas. I'll blow the windows out. Candy sweet as gold. Let me see your Tootsie Roll. To the left, to the left. Good night and God bless.